Looking at right now is plant A. So plant A was planted in Madera, California. 6 seeds were planted about a ½ inch into the soil. About 1 cup of purified water was added the first day. Temperature that the plant received during the night was 68 degrees. Plant was moved outside to 11 and 4 p.m. to get sunlight. By day 5, I finally started to see growth for plant A. Day 6, you can see that there is more growth by having 2 seeds appear. By day 7, 4 seeds have sprouted to about an inch, and seed 5 was starting to show at the very bottom. And then at the bottom, you can see day 8, where 1 seed had grown to 3 inches, 3 seeds had grown to 2 inches, and 1 seed to a ½ inch. This is our info area. The most important parts that I'm going to tell you is the left side, where we explain why we picked radish seeds as used. We picked it because due to the weathers in both locations, it was the best way to survive. So for plant B, it was given creek water while plant A was given purified water. We also have the weather reports for the 2 locations that we use. At the bottom, you could see the creek water information, and then all the way to the right you can see the sources that we use. We used 5 different sources to be able to grow our plant and know what our plant needed to be able to grow with. Okay, right here we have plant B in the finale. So plant B had the same amount of info for the same as plant A. We did the same steps of doing a ½ inch into the soil, 6 seeds, ½ cup water, and then slowly adding water each day to make sure that the soil is still wet or moist. By day 2, there was no growth, but by day 5, she was able to see growth with plant B. By day 6, many leaves had sprouted. By day 8, 1½ inches of growth were shown. So right next to it, we have finally the Venn diagram. So for plant A, purified water, first sign of growth was seen on day 5. By day 7, 4 seeds have sprouted into about an inch tall. By day 8, 1 seed had grown to 3 inches, 3 seeds had grown to 2 inches, and seed 5 is grown to an inch and a half. For the same thing for the Venn diagram, we had the same soil type, the same seed type, and the plants were moved outside from 11 to 4 p.m. For plant B used creek water. First sign of growth was seen on day 5, and then day 8, 1½ inches of growth were seen, and it was warmer weather. At the bottom, I put our finale. So finally, the plant that performed the best in length due to the water sources was plant A. Based on mass, leaf size, plant B performed the best. Overall, water in California is very beneficial for plants to grow. Depending on where the plants are from or where they are located, the growth patterns can change. With more time, we could see a bigger difference in both length and mass on the 2 different water sources.